Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, a couple of knives to show everybody today. And the first one up is this one right here. Okay. As you can see, this one does not have a snap. It has that button stud on there. I think it was last year, or a while back here. I had quite a few knives that I put these type of attachments on for the strap. And kind of like them. I don't know, it's an old way of doing it. Gonna be putting them on a lot more now too. Snaps, yeah, they're okay, but they're not exactly a traditional type of thing. But anyway, these work really good, and it comes right off there. So, all right, here comes the knife. Yeah, look at that tiger on that one. Whew. Yeah. This is a special reserve piece of wood that I have. It's from the old days of back when I was a furniture maker. So I have quite a stash of it. And wow, that's some real nice tiger. Anyway, and the those bolts on there, loveless bolts. This knife was designed to be kind of as close to being the old type of, everything knife. What it is actually is my bushcraft woods knife. Okay, but this one's considerably bigger. That's a smaller, mid-size one. This one I decided to make into a this one's spoken for, by the way, sorry, we'll talk about that later. Anyway, this one is a 6-inch blade one. All right, it's got that curve right in the back, kind of a classic look to it, and of course the swedge on there. Hold on a second. Yeah, a little over 1 3/4 inches deep. So that's a chunk of a knife right there, I tell you. Now, what I'm doing with these now is that I've been looking for the right knife to put in a scout sheath. Okay, now you saw that last one a little while back. It was a little Kephart in the scout sheath. That was a compact one. But I wanted to have a good sized knife in the scout sheath, and this is going to be the style that I'm going to use. All right, so watch for that coming up here soon. It'll have all the bells and whistles on it and everything like that too. So anyway, there's that one. Put that back. Second one. This is a little cool booger right there. This isn't a scout sheath, of course, but it has a combination sheath that you can put the belt in this way. Okay, so you can carry it on the front or in the back, whatever you wanted. This one's spoken for too. Sorry. Okay. and again, of course, it can go this way too for carrying it vertically. All right. This is a little survival knife. All right. It's meant to be just kind of a basic, not a very heavy knife that you can keep on. Actually, it'll stick right in your pocket too. This whole thing can go right in your pocket, in the front pocket, back pocket. It's not very heavy, but it's a solid sheath. So there's a whole bunch of ways you can carry it. Anyway, it's got paracord. Now not everybody's into paracord handles, but it's a practical thing. You can take it off, and if you really had to, and then you have paracord for whatever kind of emergencies that you might have. So it's got jimping on the back, and little grip for the finger and the thumb right there. Really, really nice. And if you recognize that profile, that's kind of the Kephart type of drop point. Okay, again, it's just really popular, so I made it into that type of pattern. Okay, watch for these too. I got a few more in the works also. Might be putting them up on the site. Did I mention that was spoken for? Yeah, I did. Sorry. Anyway, if anybody wants a knife, please just join the wait list or call me at the shop. Again, huge backlog here. Just myself. Okay, I do everything. I make the leather, I make the knives, everything. So please have patience. I think there's like 205 people right now on the wait list. But anyhow, I do try to get out an extra knife once a month at least. And there may be a chance for a knife to be purchased out there for whomever hits it quick enough. So thanks again, everybody. Hope you like and subscribe if you haven't already. And We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again.